Yes, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. We had our short break to give way to our brothers in the Philippine Basketball Association Press Corps for their awards tonight. Congratulations again sa PBA Press Corps. And now this morning we will have a two-part session to talk about two of the most popular ball games in the Philippines. I'm Randy Calugog of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, Randy. Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. We welcome you to another interesting forum for today. We are here sa conference room or conference hall of the Philippine Sports Commission. Hope that you are with us through our live stream sa pamagitan po ng Philippine Sports Writers Association Facebook page. And likewise, on a delayed basis of the Radyo Pilipinas 2 ang ating Baling Sports Radio. Judith Karingal po.
Partner, before you introduce our guests for our first part, let me thank our sponsors in behalf of PSA President Nelson Beltrán of the Philippine Star. Thank you, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Smart PLDT, Nestle Milo Philippines, and Arena Plus.
And yes, to talk about the beautiful sport of baseball. And the country is playing host to one big event after so many years. And this is the East Baseball Cup, okay? East Asia Baseball Cup, actually. So we have our Philippine Amateur Baseball Association President, former Commissioner of the Philippine Sports Commission, Mr. Chito Loizaga. Yes. And then we have the head coach of our Philippine team, Vince Sagisi. Welcome, sir, to the PSA Forum. And two of our baseball players. We have Clarence Kaasalan, okay, and Agon De Vera. Welcome to the PSA Forum. The floor is yours. Yes, Sir Chito, welcome po.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning to our friends from media. It's been quite some time since we last saw each other, and it's a pleasure to be here to grace your forum, and I'm looking forward to catching up with all of you with with regards to the baseball tournament that we're going to host this coming end of October. Thank you, and we'll continue our talks. Vince, anything you want to say?
First of all, I'd like to thank the Philippine Sports Writers Association for inviting not only myself but our players. It's an honor to be here. This is my first press conference here in the Philippines, coming from the United States. So I'm deeply humbled and grateful to be invited. Thank you very much.
Okay, our players, can you please give a short description of yourself?
Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite po sa amin dito, lalo sa Philippine Sports Writers Association and sa mga lahat po ng media na nandito. Maraming salamat po. Sana po tuloy po natin suportahan yung baseball po natin sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pag-imbita po sa amin dito. Sana po maging maganda itong pag-usapan natin ngayon, and sana supportahan niyo po kami sa darating na East Asia Cup sa October.
Okay, we'll get back to you later. Nasanay kasi ako, Kung Chito, we're hosting, no? For how many years medyo hindi tayo pag-host or organize ng baseball on a large scale, no? For this one, what do we expect from Southeast Asian rivals?
Well, siguro, Randy, at this point, siguro, I'll throw the question to you. Can you remember the last time the Philippines hosted
maybe there were events,
the baseball tournament?
But only Clyde Mariano knows.
Maybe Clyde is the best person to answer. But no, but seriously speaking, this East Asia Cup tournament was not really an East Asia Cup tournament before. No? It was called the Asian Championship Cup. And it included both countries from both sides, from the East and from the West. So, and at that time, during that time, the Philippines hosted one in 1995. Okay, that was the last time. And that was then when you had the two regions all together. Today, the Baseball Federation of Asia has separated both. So you have the East Asia Cup, which is basically really Southeast Asia plus Hong Kong. And then you have the West Asia Cup, where the other countries are also participating there, which is India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Iran, Iraq, and everybody else. So today, it's already on both sides. So this tournament basically is a qualifying tournament for the top two teams of each division to participate in the Asian Championship, which will be next year.
For this tournament, sino po mga kasamang countries that will participate?
For this tournament, we're hosting the countries of Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Cambodia, and Hong Kong.
And before we go to the others, traditionally, baseball, Philippine baseball is a powerhouse in Southeast Asia. Can we still say the same?
If there is something that I'm proud of, we're supposed to be the powerhouse here. And with our involvement now with the BFA, and it has been really a long time, the BFA really wanted us to host, no? After it's almost 30 years since we last hosted a baseball tournament. Not of course counting the Southeast Asian Games. No, when we hosted Southeast Asian Games, we always had baseball. But from the BFA perspective, the last hosting, which was in 1995, so they were requesting if we could, no? And we did a nice presentation to them, and they were happy, and they awarded the hosting to us. And this only happened in the month of June of this year. Okay, no, May, sorry, maybe I'm mistaken. May. I think we went to the presentation, and there were other countries who also wanted to host, but it was awarded to us. And now we're taking the task, and hopefully we can perform well and keep up with our trademark as the dominant player. But at the same time, I want to invite all our Filipino baseball communities out there. We will definitely, if you cannot come personally to Clark to watch us, we will definitely have it on stream for all of you to watch and be proud of us and be proud of being Filipino.
Thank you very much.